Assalamu alaikum and greetings to every single person out there watching this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click on the red subscription button now. A lot of people have been asking me that what is actually freelancing. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about freelancing, its scope and its platforms. Freelancing is a type of self-employment where individuals, groups and corporations work from their homes, from their offices or any place they like at any time according to their will and interests. If you look at the statistics, 57% of Americans, yes, 57% of Americans are registered in the freelancing economy. And if we look at the CNBC website, they say that year-on-year revenue of 2019 Global Economy Index, USA is on the top with 78%. Secondly, UK with 59%, Brazil with 48%, and yes, of course, Pakistan with 47%. And at the fifth place comes Ukraine with 36%. There are a lot of freelancing marketplaces out there, which majorly includes at the top Upwork, Freelancer.com, Guru.com, Fiverr and many others. So if you just like this video and subscribe, you're gonna be seeing more interesting and up-to-date content again.